Hey guys, welcome back to Quad Nation, and I have something super special for you guys today. I've never seen this on YouTube. I've never seen it on really any other platform. I'm not sure why anybody hasn't really thought of this yet, but I thought of it and I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta try this. So it's gonna be a unique video today. It is what happens if you add food coloring to a two-stroke. Now, as you guys know, depending on the two-stroke oil that you use will depend on the shade of smoke that you have. Sometimes you get a real light blue, sometimes it's purple. So I was like, hey, if the oil changes the color, why not add some food coloring to the tank and see what the outcome is? So I haven't even done this yet. Like the food coloring, we're about to put it in. I hope you guys love this video. Please smash that like button for at least me trying, and push this video out to the world because this is really going to be interesting. So here we go. Let's add that food coloring. All right, all nice and snug. Here we go. Let's fire this old girl up. She's gonna be like, what in the hell did you just feed me? Here we go. I imagine it'll take just a moment. Now, for the purposes of blowing out tons of smoke, I am gonna pull the choke, just so that way it'll billow out tons of smoke. Oh, maybe half. There we go. Hold on. There she goes. She's starting to smoke. She don't like being on choke. Hold on, baby. There she goes. There we go. Let's foul them plugs in the meantime. Let's smell that smoke and foul the plugs. There we go. She's billowing out. There we go. All right, so I'm surprised it's not down in the carburetors yet, but let's give it a good shake. Come on, get down in them carburetors. All right. Oh! Holy! What the? Let's foul the plug. Oh my God! It's found the plugs! Oh my God! Oh! You guys see this? Oh my! I don't even know what to think right now! Oh my God! That is so crazy! Okay, I gotta shut that choke off. Hold on, let me heat up the plugs. All right, choke. Oh my God, that is crazy. Let's go for a ride, guys. Whoa! Oh my God, that's so cool. Oh my God, I wish I had my rear mount on right now. Oh, hold on, I'm getting too excited. I wasn't paying attention to my gearing.